everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unlock your WhatsApp chats. So let's get started. To start, open up your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. And then on your main screen, you won't immediately see your lock chat. You can simply swipe down and then here you will be able to find lock chat. Simply tap onto it. And just like that, WhatsApp will ask you to authenticate with your Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Go ahead and do that. And once unlocked, you'll see all of your locked conversation. There are two ways to unlock the chat. First method is to long press and hold the lock chat, and then simply tap on unlock chat. After that, you'll be asked to confirm again using Face ID or passcode. Alternatively, you can open any lock chat, tap on your contact name, scroll down a little, and then you will see a lock slider. You can simply toggle that off, confirm your Face ID, and when you back out, the chat will be back on your main chat screen. If your locked chat were previously hidden, you will need to unhide them first before unlocking them to make sure they appear on your main screen. That's it. That is how you can unlock your WhatsApp chats. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.